Hello, and welcome to this video, which will help you get familiar with your GeoRide, the best way to protect and connect your vehicle. Today, we are going to unbox GeoRide and install it on a motorcycle. The installation is very simple, and as a matter of fact, almost all our users install their GeoRide themselves. Follow all our pieces of advice and everything. It will be done quickly and easily. Let's go. Your GeoRide will be delivered directly to your home. Open the GeoRide box and discover your GeoRide 3 device. You will find in your GeoRide box the GeoRide 3 device that you will have to hide inside your vehicle. It will locate your vehicle thanks to the GPS tracker, warn you in case of danger using the connected alarm, and will ensure your safety with the crash detection. The proximity badge can be placed in your jacket or attached to your keys. It will take care of automatically activating or deactivating the protection of your vehicle. We have a getting started guide and precise installation instructions. The battery power cable. This one will be useful if you've chosen to operate the vehicle with battery mode. You will find the 110 decibel anti-theft siren that can be triggered automatically at the slightest vibration or remotely from the application wherever you are. The USB cable to recharge GeoRide if you've chosen a vehicle operation with a no battery mode. You will also find a connected magnet that allows the GeoRide device to notify you immediately if it is torn off. A Velcro adhesive is also provided if you don't have any metal surfaces where you want to install GeoRide. We can now move on to installing GeoRide on the vehicle, in this case a motorcycle. In the vast majority of cases, your vehicle should have a battery. To find out, consult the user manual of your vehicle. If it is not equipped with a battery, you can use GeoRide in the no battery vehicle mode. We are now going to prepare the installation of GeoRide on a motorcycle equipped with a battery. First, start by removing the seat of the motorcycle. Usually you can remove it using the key of your motorcycle. Locate the battery of your two wheels. We can see here that the plus terminal in red and the minus terminal in black. Take a screwdriver suitable for the vehicle battery. In our case, it will be a crosshead screwdriver. Everything is ready. Let us be guided by the application for the installation. To get started, download the GeoRide app available on the App Store, Play Store, App Gallery. Once the application has been downloaded, create your account and follow the steps suggested by the application. Enter your number, which will allow GeoRide to notify you immediately in the event of an alert. So, all you have to do is scan the device. You will find the QR code on the back of your GeoRide device. Once your code has been scanned, you can see in naming your GeoRide device whatever you want. Entering the number of kilometers or miles traveled by your vehicle allows you to create reminders for scheduled maintenance. In our case, we are going to select the vehicle with battery mode. Disconnect the black terminal first and the red one. Connect the red cable to the red terminal and the black cable to the black terminal. Hide the cable to where you want to hide the GeoRide box. You can install GeoRide in many different spots on a motorcycle, under the rider's seat, under the passenger seat, or even under the dashboard. There are many hiding places in a vehicle. The most important thing is to delay the detection of the GeoRide by thieves as much as possible. To install your GeoRide properly and in order to ensure optimal operation, remember these rules. Your GeoRide must be parallel or perpendicular to the vehicle but not at an angle. Your GeoRide logo must be facing the sky. The front or lateral inclination must not exceed 45 degrees. Avoid installing GeoRide just below thick metal surfaces as much as possible. There you go. Your GeoRide is now connected to your vehicle and will reassure you 24/7. Welcome to the GeoRide community. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you. If you need any advice, our customer service is available from the application or on the GeoRide website. If you haven't installed GeoRide on your vehicle yet, order yours now. See you soon.